Today's training will show you how to default your print driver to black and white. You first want to click on your Start menu in the lower left corner, go to Settings, and then select Devices and Printers. Select Printers and Scanners on the left, and then find your printer and click on that and select the Manage tab. From there, you'll go to Printing Preferences, and when your driver options open up, select the black and white option, click the Apply button, then click OK, and you're now defaulted to black and white.
So there you have it.
We hope you found this video helpful because here at Advance,
We live and breathe this stuff.
Should you wish to contact us or see additional training videos, please visit us at www.advancedstuff.com/training.